Namaskar, Ashish Mittal from Aarsun Woods, and here I have the most liked furniture unit, a Jhula, Jhopala, Hammock, and Unjal. It's known by different names, but the essence, the design, the pattern, this is something that everybody loves. Everybody means everyone, the kids, the younger ones, the middle-aged people like us, and the elder ones. The light swing of this unit always relaxes the mind, and really, I personally also like Jhula. Most of the time, it happens with me when I'm in office and I'm feeling a little dizzy or little out of place. I come outside, and whenever a Jhula is placed here, I sit on that for a little time, and it relaxes the mind a lot. You sit for a longer time, you sit for a little time. That is as per your choice, but the design is amazing, and we have the highest number of designs in terms of swings, indoor swings, that you can see on our website, on YouTube, on different social media channels. And then again, the option to customize it, that makes it a different unit altogether. Teak wood, and this one is with a canopy on top. I'll explain this part too, but let me give you the sizes first. This one is 8 feet left to right, out and out. Total height is 8.5 feet. Front to back, the pillar is 3.5 feet. The seat size, the most important area, is 5 feet out and out, and 5 feet seat is 2.5 seater. I'll sit on a corner so you can see. I'm sitting here, so you can see the space is 2.5 seater, and quite comfortable and wide sitting. You can see when I'm sitting here, my knees are on the corner, on the edges of the of this cushion, and this is the important point. When we are not getting enough space, let's say I am sitting like this, my knees are out. It's not very comfortable generally, and when the knees are up also like this, then it's not comfortable again. Mostly for average height people, this is the concept that we follow, and this is how the design is done. As you can see here, this comes along with a brass chain. Here is a brass chain, a solid brass chain, and in brass chain also we have got options. The basic point remains everything: the design part, size part, color part, the seat part, the seat design you like something else, or the color of the fabric. The fabric you want different, even the chain part, everything is as per choice, because we have got varieties in everything. This one is going to Israel. Our first order from Israel is soon dispatching, and this one is going there. And the design part as selected by the client. When we talk about Jhula, there are broadly two kinds of Jhula. One is with stand like this, or one is the ceiling swing. In the ceiling swing also, there are several options like the reversible seat. That's a really liked concept. The size remains your choice. We can discuss the size part, because when we have ceiling swing, it depends on the hooks that we have placed in the ceiling, how wide the seat should be. In the stand swings also, the space matters, how much space you have. If you have very open, a good space, you can go for very big Jhulas like this, or a smaller one also that we have made for several clients as per the requirement. In stand swing also, there are two options: one with a bar on top, a single bar, and one with the canopy kind of thing here, canopy or a ceiling. This one is canopy shape. We have ceiling also, the flat ceiling, and these are the two options. Seat part, as I mentioned, it can be a reversible swing seat. You can simply pick the back, move it here, it becomes usable from the other side, and this is how it works. If you see this Jhula, they is same from both the sides. So if we make it reversible and we are putting it right in the middle of the room, so other person on the other side also can use that. That is the best part about reversible thing, and it's very easy to do. Just pick the back and move it this side, it works. So this is broadly the variation we have in these swings: the stand swing or ceiling swing. In this also, further, if we move about the chains, we have got several options that you can see on our website. Whichever option you like, will provide you along with that. The basic point remains: Arson makes choice wala furniture, and choice means everything: size, design, color, pattern, fabric, chain, whatever the options are and whatever is possible. We have recently made a lot of designs from AI. People have made pictures from artificial intelligence, beautiful pictures they are making, and then they send to us, and we discuss the requirement, and we are converting those pictures, the artificial intelligence pictures, to reality here, because we have got master artisans who convert wood. This is solid wood, teak wood, who convert this teak wood to such beautiful pieces. And this is what we are doing at Arson, delivering and decorating homes globally with such beautiful things that we are making in solid wood, different colors, patterns, sizes, and everything according to the client's choice, and most importantly, at factory price. That is a really important thing. And the last and other most important point is safe delivery. We can make anything, any beautiful thing here, but delivering it to your home safely and in same condition is really important. That we have done for a lot of clients, thousands of clients across the globe, that you can see in our testimonial section on the website. You can visit there, you see so many pictures in the real setup at client's home. When people have received their order, they have placed the unit, send the pictures back to us with blessings and more orders. That is the most important thing, the reference orders, because only a happy client will give you a reference and further orders. Most of the designs that you see in different countries like Italy, Egypt, Turkey, even China, we are making better quality than that and delivering across the globe at better pricing, much better than what they are offering. And the quality part of Arson, an international registered trademark in 35 countries. This is what we are doing. You can visit our website, arsonwoods.com. You can visit our YouTube channel. You can see Twitter or LinkedIn or Instagram or Facebook, so many social media channels, and we are present everywhere. Let us know what you want, how you want it. We'll discuss the requirement, make something really beautiful for you, personalized for you, and deliver right to your home at factory price. The number is right here. Please contact us. Thank you. Dhanyavad.